Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you what the PTZ Crystal Serum car ceramic coating is, what it offers, and how it works. So let's get started. The PTZ Crystal Serum for cars. According to the website, it's a product basically that will let you shine like you mean it and protect like a pro. It goes by many names included here, and of course, you may find it at many sellers. So the product's benefits, it's reduced the frequency and cost of cleaning and maintenance, and increased the hardness of the car paint to prevent daily scratches, prevent scale accumulation, making cleaner easier, and keep the car paint as bright as new. It also has multifunction protection like anti-scratch, waterproof, dustproof, using these ingredients like chlorine 7, water, silicates, alcohol, and also as you can see, you will see here some pictures according to the websites before use and after use like comparison. It's designed for vehicles and other solid surfaces that require excellent shine and protection, and it's suitable for all type of cars like luxury cars, SUV, and motorcycles, well, according to the website. So, according to the description of the website, it has a hydrophobic magic, which is water breed off effortlessly, keeping your bike cleaner longer, non-repair power, refresh paints, glass and wheels, DIY, DIY or do-it-yourself pro level detailing, so you can do it yourself, instant gloss smoothness, and ultimate 9-hour graphene shield that transforms your car to finish to a showroom shine in minutes and experience basically rock solid paint protection with advanced graphene ceramic coating. Some of the specifications will be included here, like the number of item, parts name, model name, manufacturer, customer reviews, and the brand name, and like brand also in the bestseller rank as well. You'll be able to see the reviews of other people. Also here, frequently asked questions section. So if you have one of those questions, you'll be able to find the answer too. So for you, make sure to go through the advertised features directly from the page, including every information feature that you can find. And of course, before purchasing, just make sure to carefully review exactly which PTZ Crystal Serum you're ordering and who's selling it. Uh, couldn't identify like a clear official manufacturer website for this product, so make sure to check the seller and products information for you and do your own research before spending any money. And of course, as for this website, you can click on add to cart here. It will be added to cart. You can click on proceed to checkout, and you'll be able to enter your shipping information, payment information, and follow any other on-screen instructions. So before completing your order, feel free to review any current price, shipping information, and return policy so you know exactly what you're ordering. And as with any motivating or automating coating, make sure to follow the provided application safety instruction carefully and only use the products on services specified by the seller. If you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.